What's up, guys? This is Damien here, and today we are. I'm gonna turn off the brightness. Today we're gonna make some slime. So first of all, you need a bowl. Okay, so you can put your slime in, and like everyone uses some Elmer's glue. I'm using regular white Elmer's glue. You can use any glue, except the purple one or the glue stick one, because those you can't do, yeah. And you could use the clear one and stuff and whatever. So, and the other thing, this is food dye. You could just use this. This is just, I'm just going to add it. You don't have to add it if you want to. Sorry about the background. Hold up. There. And, yeah. Oh, and you need your, hold up, let me take this out. You need your activator. This is my activator right here. And yeah. So let's get started. First you need your bowl, okay? Now, I'm just going to use a little bit of Elmer's glue. Not a lot, because I'm not trying to waste a lot, actually. Now, just pour it in your bowl, okay? Simple. Okay, I think that's low enough. Then if you want to make good slime, get like a little teaspoon, and I mean, like my drop, don't even like put as much. Okay, there. Now just stir it up. There you go. I wish I had like beads and foam, stuff like that stuff. That'd be awesome. And glitter. But yeah. We'll keep on mixing it and mixing it. Yeah. So I think I need a little bit more activator. Get a little bit more. Right here. Keep on adding little by little, because if you put too much, then it'll get ruined, and you don't want ruined slime. You want that good slime that people make. It sounds weird, but okay. When you're done mixing, it should come up to a clump. Now mine looks tough, so if it looks tough and like all hard and stuff, just add a little bit more glue and it will start being better. Here we go. Keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. Sorry about that, because now I need to combine two videos together because I reached the limit on my other video. But yeah. What? Okay. Now, you could, after you're done mixing and stuff, oops, sorry. When you're done mixing and stuff, you can, just keep on mixing and mixing. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, for mine, so right now you could start mixing it with your hands, but I don't want to get my hands dirty and stuff. Not right now, like I'll do it later. But now, if you have any kind of food dye or whatever, I picked blue, and you just want to take a toothpick, get on the top, just get little dots, and just smear it on. Let me focus. There you go. There we go. Put a little dab. Then that's it. You don't add a lot, because my past few years when I put a lot, yeah, it gets really, really messy. And dark and ugly. So keep on playing with it and stuff. Right now it looks like a blue brain. Well, for me it's blue. But whatever your color is, it's your color. Or if you didn't add some, then that's okay. But this is just an extra step. Okay, now I'm going to get my hands dirty. Ugh. Okay. Okay, hold up. And there we go. Boom. Then you have it. Your slime. Oops, sorry. But here's your slime. And it's pretty good slime, like but mine, I just need a little bit more. Like, if your slime turned out like mine, you could add glue and glue. But I'm adding little by little, so it doesn't make. And if you have glitter and whatever. But yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.